Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add family member in Uber. So, I was exploring the Uber app the other day and realized there's actually a pretty useful feature most people don't notice right away: adding family members to your account. So, I opened the app like normal, went to the account section from the bottom menu, and started scrolling through the settings. That's where I spotted something called Family. Sitting just above the Settings tab, I tap into it, and it's basically turned into a little hub for managing people you care about: teens, adults, even seniors. Uber sets it up so you can invite family members and even pay for their rides if you want. I tried the invite option and it asked me to pick someone from my contacts, so I selected and tested contact just to see how it works. You basically fill in their details, send the invite, and they get added to your family profile. It's actually pretty convenient if you're trying to manage rides for multiple people without constantly checking their trips. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.